Something that we heard in conversations during that listening tour was that industry needed more trained people, and they felt like we needed to begin to engage students earlier in the K-12 space. But then also, how do we make sure that we're training incumbent workers, those who are currently working in the industry today, to make sure that they've got the skill set to remain competitive and remain on the job and to upskill? And then also, how do we train those college age students today to make sure that they are on the right path? So there's a whole continuum of K-12 all the way through adults. And so we have three mission points in the community and technical college system as a whole. We've got your traditional academic student who's going to come in, earn an associate's degree, and hopefully go to work, or they're going to transfer to one of our local four-year universities. Then we have our workforce non-credit training. That's the person who is more than likely already working, but wants to come back and get upskilled to be able to earn that next level of a certification. And then we have our adult basic education, Tara, to your point, mission where people are coming to earn the high school equivalency. Of course, you got to have the technical skills to be able to do this work, but you have to be able to think critically, right? And so it's important upon us, and I'm so proud of my team or our team at RPCC for looking at work-based learning opportunities and making sure that we are being very deliberate in that you're going to leave here a skilled and trained employee, but you're also going to be able to communicate conflict resolution. Because this is our epic E3 Academy. E3 is engage, expose, and employ, where this fall we will be beginning in third grade. It's a free after school program where we're beginning to introduce them all the different careers in industry, both white collar and blue collar. We never want to be accused of trying to funnel students into one way or another, right? And so the goal is that we want to expose them so by the time they get to ninth grade, they would have literally been exposed to almost every single opportunity in one of these facilities where they enroll in ninth grade. And when they graduate high school, they will leave with the high school diploma and an associate's degree, hopefully in one of these technical programs, or they'll leave with the high school diploma and multiple industry-based certifications that make the student marketable and employable right out of high school, right? So you heard me talk about industry saying they needed more skilled employees and they needed them quickly. And so we just feel like we have to almost be all things to all people and really do a continuum of third grade all the way to 65,